it's Kunal here. आप सब कैसे आए हो? वो लोग अच्छे होंगे, मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. So today I'm gonna show you 5 speed drills and agility, and this drill will increase your speed and agility. So let's go, guys.
Drill number 1. This is how I set up. Place a cone down, then I take 7 step, and between all 4 cones 7 step and 1 cone in the center. यहाँ में आपको स्क्वायर बनाना है जैसे कि आप लोग को दिख रहा है, और 7 स्टेप होगा सब साइड में, और बीच में एक कोन रखना है आपको. You can do this drill any of the outside cones. All we're gonna be doing is accelerate into the middle, out to the next cone, then we going to the straight across around the cone, back into the middle, then out to the next cone through. So we are working on our diagonal movements and our straight sprints, as well as you can do this drill 4 times, 2 times from the right side and 2 times from the left side. यहाँ में आपको diagonal move करना है. आप कोई भी outside cone से आप start कर सकते हो. Drill number 2. This is how I set up. Place a cone down, then I take 2 step, then I straightly take 7 step, then again I take 7 step from second cone. So we go 3 gate 7 step apart. So यहाँ में आपको 6 कोन की जरूरत है. So फर्स्ट कोन से सेकंड कोन तक 7 स्टेप लेना है, सेकंड कोन से थर्ड कोन तक again 7 स्टेप लेना है. So we gonna start the beginning gate here. Accelerate up to the second cone, turn back to the start, turn once again, accelerate all the way to the last cone. Game of football is multi-direction, so sometimes you sprinting in one direction and all over sudden have to turn accelerate to complete opposite direction. यहाँ में आपको फर्स्ट कोन से सेकंड कोन तक एक्सलाइट करना है, फिर से टर्न लेके फर्स्ट कोन में जाना है, फिर से फर्स्ट कोन से लास्ट एंड फाइनल कोन तक आपको स्प्रिंट करना है. You can do this drill 2 repetitions from both sides, total 4 repetitions. Drill number 3. So this is how the drill is set up. We have got a gate 2 step apart. Then I take 10 steps from the first gate and I put 2 cone second gate. Then I take 10 more steps from the second gate to make third gate. Back to the start. Then we have created a rectangle in the middle. So you take 5 or 7 steps. It's up to you if you make the box big or small. So I turn 45 degree. Then I take 7 steps. Then again I straightly take 13 to 14 steps. It's up to you. Then I take 7 or 8 steps out directly from this cone. We accelerate up around the left hand side to begin with, then we go diagonally all the way across to the opposite side and then accelerate through the gate. Do the same thing from the opposite direction. In this drill we working on a more subtle turn when we already have momentum, because there will be times during a match maybe we are trying to speed. So this drill good for every footballers. You can do this drill 4 sets, 2 repetitions. 1 set 2 repetitions up down. इस ड्रिल में आपको 4 सेट करना है, अप डाउन 1 सेट and rest between 20 to 30 seconds. Drill number 4. So place a cone down, I take 10 step out, then I place down a second cone, then I take 5 step back, then I take 1 into the middle, place a third cone, again 5 more steps across, place 4th cone, take another step across, turn 90 degree, I take 5 step, place a 5th cone, then I take 10 step all the way to the opposite side to place the final cone, as you can see. We're gonna sprint forward up to the second cone, then around the cone, so you have turned those hips, be agile, quick feet around those cones so you can push that ground away and stay tight around the corners. This is going to help with your agility as well as making sure you're driving those arms. So you can do this drill 4 to 5 times. Drill number 5. This is how I set up. Place a cone down, then I take 10 steps directly from this cone and turn 90 degree, take 4 or 5 step gap, place a cone down and another 10 step back, place a cone down, then I place a second cone in the same line. I take 5 step gap, as you can see from the first cone, and same pattern again, turn 90 degree, take 4 or 5 steps across, place a cone down and I take final 10 more steps from that cone, place another cone. We accelerate up from this cone, then sprint diagonally to the final cone in second line. and turn the cone, then you have to sprint from here to the first cone in second line, back to the start, then sprint diagonally from here to the third line cone, then turn again and sprint back to the final cone in third line. यहाँ में आपको पहले फर्स्ट कोन से सेकंड कोन तक आपको स्प्रिंट करना है, उसके बाद आपको टर्न करके डायगोनली स्प्रिंट करके सेकंड लाइन का फाइनल कोन में आना है, फिर फाइनल कोन से सेकंड लाइन का ही फर्स्ट कोन में आपको जाना है, फिर से वहाँ से रिटर्न आके आपको डायगोनली स्प्रिंट करना है सेकंड लाइन से थर्ड लाइन का कोन तक, फिर से वहाँ से फाइनल कोन तक आपको स्प्रिंट करके आना है। ऐसे करके आपको करना है 4 सेट एंड रेस्ट बिटवीन 20 to 30 सेकेंड।
So today's practice has been done. As you can see, very simple, effective speed training drill. If you do this one regularly, you'll improve your performance on the pitch and also in training if you do this one regularly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till you're stylish, fit and healthy. Bye.